most autoimmune disease starts, if it's not genetic, as actually an overactivation of the immune system where the T cells don't get to mature. But any virus can cause an autoimmune disorder, including type 1 diabetes. And there are different ways why that happens. One of them is molecular mimicry. One of them is by, it's called epitope reproduction, and the other one is bystander activation. Those are like the three main ones that happen. And basically what happens is the immune system all of a sudden flips. You should be in a T1 dominant state, you end up in a T2 dominant state, and your body just kind of starts replicating things that shouldn't be replicated. In molecular mimicry, it happens to be the protein specific to the virus, and so the body then starts attacking same cells. Sorry, I was getting a phone call and didn't want to lose audio again. The epitopy, the body the epitopes get replicated and it creates a viral load that becomes too high. The body can't fight it anymore and your system just gets out of balance. The bystander activation lymphocytes are activated, and you can test those in the blood work, and regardless of which one is activated, you will see it show up in the blood work. So if you get the CBC with differential, you have at the bottom of that, they should break down into percentages, your neutrophils, lymphocytes, monocytes, eosinophils, basophils. And those numbers, the neutrophils, if you want to get a piece of paper, grab a piece of paper, I'll wait, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, neutrophils should be 60%. Lymphocytes should be 30%. Monocytes should be 7%. Eosinophils should be 3%. Basophils should be 1%. If that lymphocyte number and monocyte number are elevated, you have some kind of viral load that's too high. Now, if I tell you that monocytes have a name of something in them, you should be able to look that up. And it may not be active, but it may be reactivated by a different virus. And just so we're clear, Epstein-Barr virus, even if you have never had it, can be passed through the placenta. So if mom ever had it, there's a likelihood that you have it. They've actually done some studies in the United Kingdom where they have looked at the population and tested them, and approximately 93% of people in the UK have been exposed at some point in time, even if it was in utero, to Epstein-Barr virus. If your lymphocytes are high, it could be viral or fungal, which means that it could be mold that's causing your immune system to flip and attack itself. If it's your eosinophils, it could be food related. It could be parasitic in nature. Any of those things that cause the viral load to be too high, the lymphocyte and the monocyte number to be too high, can, if left unchecked, cause an autoimmune disorder. And there's research published in 2023. Let me see if I can show you that. The role of viral infections in the onset of autoimmune diseases, published in 2023. If you want to look that article up, go for it. They do mention rheumatoid arthritis, lupus, sickle cell anemia. They mention diabetes. They mention a bunch of different autoimmune disorders that can be created by a viral onset. So any virus that you get that causes your immune system to basically overreact, and it could be that you had a virus, you didn't quite fully recover from that virus and got another one like back to back because your immune system was a little bit tanked. And this second one is actually the cause because it pushes the viral load over the limit. So if your somebody who is struggling with autoimmune, we should definitely look at the numbers in your blood work and see where we can support lowering that viral load so that this research article doesn't apply to you.